What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we doing chicken breast, but not just any chicken breast. We doing stuffed chicken breast, y'all. Stuffed. It's finna be so tasty. But anyway, we gotta cut it down in the middle and spread them on out so we can stuff them. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So of course, the first thing, you need to go and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, a little fresh pepper, y'all. Fresh pepper. And we gonna let that sit while we fry us up some bacon right quick. Now, when you fry your bacon, hey y'all, do it on low temp, y'all. Y'all get better bacon like that, I'm telling you. Low temp, y'all. So mine is set to like in between medium and low, so medium and low. Then once we get that bacon done, we just gonna go on ahead and cut it up, y'all. Bacon bits, fresh bacon bits, and we gonna get that right on the inside. And y'all know me, I had to add me a little bit of mine. But I was thinking that short cheddar might have been a little bit better. But anyway, some spinach from the can. But you know, I drained it, y'all. You want to get all that can liquid off of there. And after that, just fold it in half, y'all. Then we gonna rain on this side. Now, on this side, I just hit it with some salt, and then I hit it with a little bit of my special rub. Now, you can use any rub you like, or any seasoning oil you like. And then we gonna get it into our pan, brown it on both sides, and get it into that oven. Now, our oven is set at 350, and we looking for that magic temperature, y'all, 165. And once we get it there, this is what we got, y'all. Check it out. It's a real tasty chicken right there, y'all. So we gonna let this rest. And of course we cut it up and made us a plate so we can give this a taste. And after getting that taste, oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. It was real good. That creaminess that mozzarella brought. That's why I like mine so much. With that spinach. Yes, sir. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.